Hello, my name is Cassandra Dean, and I am a Scooby-Doo fanatic. Scooby-Doo makes me smile, so I try to use the word Scooby-Doo throughout my day. It just naturally makes me smile. My area of academic interest is the biology of the developing student's mind during K through 12th grade. I wanted to teach biology to junior high students, but with the climate of COVID, requiring vaccines and boosters and more booster shots, I prayerfully decided to be a member of the educational team behind the scenes. My goal in my journey to receive my master's of childhood and adolescent development is to gain knowledge about a student's developing mind, taking into account not just their academics, but their basic needs, parent involvement, a roof over their head, hygiene, what clothes they may or may not have, social media, the pressures of that I know impacts our students, adequate food at home and at school, and realizing a student is more than just their grades or their GPA. I want to be able to come alongside educators to look at the student as a whole. If these basic needs go unmet, a student could struggle with learning and be classified as an IEP by mistake. In my current position, I am a claims examiner and I handle bodily injury and first and third party property damage claims for a university in California. I use writing in my current profession to document my interactions with all aspects of the claims handling process: coverage and liability investigations, written letters, and email communications in and outside of the company. My writing is imperative during the written documentation portion of my work because the reader is taken on a claims journey from birth to closure of the claim. My readers will need to be able to understand my direction for resolution or denial of the claim, and my written record of events must express how I arrived at my decision to make a payment or to send out a denial. My words express my tone, provide vivid descriptions of accident scenes, and provide pictures for my readers as they read my work. Again, I'm Cassandra Dean, and it's very nice to meet you.